exercise 12.2 లో ఎయిత్ ప్రాబ్లం ఇక్కడ మనకు స్పియరికల్ అండ్ నెక్ ఈజ్ సిలిండర్ షేప్ లో ఉన్న ఒక వెజల్ ఈజ్ గివెన్ వెజల్. సో వెజల్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ ద షేప్ ఆఫ్ cylindrical with the neck cylinder, with the neck cylinder with the full of water. So but here given the dimensions of this vessel, the diameter of the cylinder, the diameter of the sphere is 8.5 centimeter. The diameter of sphere is d1 is equal to 8.5 centimeter and radius r1 is equal to diameter by 2, 8.5 by 2 is equal to 4.25 centimeters. So 4.5. This is the radius of sphere. So r1 is equal to 4.25 centimeters. So the diameter of cylinder d2 is equal to 2 centimeters. Radius of cylinder. So neck is in the shape of cylinder. So that's why diameter is 2 centimeters. Then the radius of cylinder R2 is equal to 2 centimeter by 2, that is equal to 1 centimeter. So height of the cylinder is equal to 8 centimeter is given, 8 centimeters h. So the volume of the vessel means volume of sphere plus volume of cylinder, volume of sphere plus volume of cylinder. So volume of sphere formula 4/3 pi r cube. But here r value is taken r1. Next volume of cylinder pi r square h. When you substitute formula here, both in pi is common, should take common. So remains is 4/3 r1 cube plus r2 square into h. So pi value is given 3.14. Remaining 4/3 into 4.25 whole cube plus 1 square into 8. So when we substitute the values, we get this is the answer. So 3.14 of 4/3 into, so 4.25 whole cube calculation to means 76.765625 plus 1 square value 1 8 is 8. So you should observe that here 76.76525 into 4. When we do multiplication, 307.0625 will get. So I can up to 3 decimals only. So 307.062 by 3. Why? Because 5 I reduced. So calculation of 3 తో డివిజన్ చేయడానికి ఈజీగా ఉండడం కోసం రెడ్యూస్ చేశాను, 5 వాల్యూ తీసేసాను. సో ఫైనల్గా మనకు 102.354 ప్లస్ 8. సో 3.14 into, we should calculate this R value, getting 110.354. So now when we multiply this value, we get 346.51156 centimeter cube. So approximately 346.51 centimeter cube we get. So this is the volume of the vessel. But here child calculated volume measured by the child is 345 centimeter is given in the problem. But it is incorrect. Why? Because so our correct answer is 346.51 centimeter cube. So this is the volume of